Hare Krishna. Today, the common expression between the sloka and the joke is an intelligent person. When we talk about intelligent person, in our jokes, we remember only three people. Ramu, the employee who is always getting an interview and failing to get a job. And always there is Manta and Chanta doing foolish things. Now, in this, we see Ramu. He is coming for an interview and the boss is asking, "What are you good at?" He says, "I am good in Sudoku, Angry Birds, Mr. Racer." Boss says, Stop. I am asking, what are you good in the office time?" The Ramu was surprised. "Sir, all these are during office time only." Now will he get a job if he does all these in the office time? There is an intelligent answer for the intelligent person. Now, today's sloka is chapter 5, sloka 22.
ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः.
Krishna says, an intelligent person does not take part in these sources of misery. Because what all we are facing in the world are sources of misery only, because Krishna says is a dukkhalayam. And it is also due to the contact with the material senses, which we cannot avoid because of our past karmas. So, Krishna says, why an intelligent man should not place an importance on this is, these pleasures have a beginning and an end. Whereas the anandam of supreme bliss, that is the mukti, is no end, is having no end. So, that is the difference the wise man knows. That's why he is not bothered about the small things. Now, practically speaking, can we do anything in our efforts to save ourselves from the three gunas which control us? No. Krishna says very clearly that everybody is under the Maya. Maya is very difficult to overcome. But another sloka he says, we have to surrender if you want to cross over Maya. Now, as you have seen earlier also, we are helpless, we are bound by the three gunas, the three roops. So, the only way out for us is to take Krishna's slokas, enjoy them, feel them, think about them, discuss with people and make a progress in our life. Now, today's gem point of Krishna before closing is, Krishna knew all the time why Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Draupadi suffered. He did nothing about it. It was all for a divine plan to execute the Mahabharata war and relieve the earth of burden of many sinful kings and soldiers. That is why Krishna did not interfere and save them, say, like in the game of dice. Hare Krishna.